In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom callout blocks in Notion. Callout blocks are perfect for highlighting important notes, quick tips, or action items so they stand out from the rest of your page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create one, personalize its icon, fine-tune its color, and fill it with exactly the content you want. Let's start by creating the callout. On any Notion page, type /, then the word callout, and press enter. A new callout block appears instantly, ready to be customized. This is your visual container, and it's great for drawing attention without breaking your page layout. Next, customize the icon to match your message. Click the default icon on the left side of the callout. You can choose an emoji for a quick expressive look, pick from Notion's built-in icons for a cleaner style, or upload a custom image if you want a branded touch. If you are uploading, a square image at around 280 by 280 pixels works best, helping it look crisp without odd cropping. Try to keep the icon relevant, simple, and legible at small sizes, so it reads clearly at a glance. Now adjust the color to make it pop, or to match your workspace theme. Hover over the callout and click the 6-dot handle to the left. Then choose Color. You'll see options for background colors as well as text colors. Selecting a background color fills the entire callout, which is great for emphasis. Choosing a text color leaves the background white with a subtle gray outline, giving you a lighter, more minimal look. Use bold backgrounds for urgent items and softer tones for general notes. And aim for high contrast to keep everything readable. Finally, add your content. Click inside the callout and start typing. You can write a headline, a short description, or any text you need. If you want to nest other blocks, simply drag them in. Grab the 6-dot handle on a heading, a bulleted list, or even an image, and drop it into the callout until you see the drop indicator. This lets you structure information clearly. Whether you are organizing steps, grouping resources, or pairing text with visuals, keep the content concise and scannable, so the callout remains a helpful highlight, not a wall of text. That's it, your custom callout block is ready to use anywhere in your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching.